Next program is swapping two numbers. So in Python we can able to directly swap two numbers. So first method, I'm going to assign one value which is a variable a equal to 10 and b I'm going to assign as 2. So I'm going to declare a comma b equal to, we can directly assign by swapping that. Simply we can declare the value. So right now you can see here b having 2, a is having 10. So I'm going to assign as b comma a. So what will happen is here you can see b value which is having 2 is going to be assigned to b's value is going to a, and a value which is having 10 is going to assign it to b. This is the concept logic, it will work here. Before this logic I'm going to print before swap, because we need to understand how it will work. So I'm going to run this program. Let's see. Now you can see before swap, after swap. Before swap it is a value is 10, b value is 2. Now after swap it has been swapped. Okay, this is the logic for swapping without using any temporary variable. Now we're gonna see swap two numbers using a temp variable. This logic will be mostly useful for all the languages, so you can consider this also. I'm going to take the same value as before previous method 2, and I'm going to copy paste this line. So in the topic itself we already know that we're going to use some temporary variable, right? So and the a value which is 10 is going to assign it to temp. So now temp is having the value of 10. Now what we're going to do, a is having nothing, right? So right now, so what we're going to do, we have to swap the b value, because right now a is having 10 and then it has been assigned to temp variable. Now a is having nothing, so we're going to assign that b value to a. Right now a is containing 2, right? Because b value 2 is assigning to a, and right now b is holding nothing. What we can do, which we already have in the temp variable which is holding 10, so simply we going to assign that value a temp value to b. So swapping has been done. Now I'm going to print after swap using temp a comma b, and I'm going to run this. You can see same thing happened. Before swap a value is 10, after swap a value becomes 2, and b value is before swap it's 2. Right now it has been changed to swap to 10.